Welcome to the future of coding. Imagine this. You're stuck in a coding problem, but instead of scrolling through endless Stack Overflow threads, you just describe what you need, and boom, AI writes the code for you.
Oh my gosh, there he is.
Sounds like magic, right?
Wow.
Well, that's what I like to call vibe coding. It's not just about letting AI do the work. It's about coding smarter, not harder. AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Codium are changing the way we write code. You don't have to memorize syntax or spend hours debugging tiny mistakes anymore. You just vibe with the AI, guiding it like a creative assistant.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's like having an ultra-efficient coding buddy who never gets tired. But let's be real. Does this mean programmers are becoming obsolete?
Oh, rap.
See,
Oh my gosh, there he is.
AI can generate code, but it doesn't always get it right. It might miss edge cases, write inefficient algorithms, or straight up hallucinate nonsense. That's why you are still the brain behind the operation. The real power of vibe coding is using AI to speed things up while still keeping control. Think of it as a co-pilot. You're still flying the plane, but now you've got an assistant handling the busy. Let me show you how this works. Say I need a function to calculate the area of a circle. I could type it out manually, or I could just ask AI. Write a Python function that calculates the area of a circle based on user input. And in seconds, there it is. But here's the fun part. What if the AI makes a mistake? Instead of digging through the docs, I can just tell it, hey, that's not working. Fix it.
Fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. Fix it, fix it, fix it.
And it does. Faster debugging, fewer headaches. But remember, just because AI suggests something doesn't mean it's the best solution. Always double check the output. So, is vibe coding the future? Honestly, yeah. AI isn't replacing programmers. It's evolving how we work. The real question is, are you adapting or are you getting left behind? Have you tried coding with AI? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this interesting, hit that subscribe button for more tech content. Because at the end of the day, writing code is cool, but understanding it, that's what makes you a real developer.